Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing comparison between Luma AI and Hailuo AI by Minimax. Now Luma AI is powered by the Red 3 model and Hailuo AI is powered by Minimax, and both of them represent the top tier of generative video. Luma AI is positioned as a high-end studio tool for 3D physics and professional post-production workflows, while Hailuo AI excels in creative realism, expressive human motion, and cost-effective commercial production. Let's go into their comparison proper. Let's start with their primary strength. Luma AI has studio fidelity. It gives you 16-bit HDR and 3D world building, while Hailuo AI, that is Minimax 2.3, gives you cinematic realism, human micro expressions and motion. When it comes to maximum quality, Luma AI gives you 4K HDR with EXR exports for ACES workflows, while Hailuo AI gives you 1080p HD native with high-speed fast modes. When it comes to physical logic, Luma AI has a reasoning model that stimulates physics before rendering, while Hailuo AI has dynamic simulation that is optimized for dance and martial arts. When it comes to control features, Luma AI has Ray 3 that modifies for environment and wardrobe swaps. Ray 3 modify for environment and wardrobe swaps, while Hailuo AI has interactive camera path editor, actually cursor based. Let's look at consistency. Luma AI has the visual annotations and start and end frame key phrasing, while Hailuo AI has strong character identity retention and reference uploads. It has strong character identity retention and reference uploads. Lastly, who are the best for? Luma AI is best for professional VFX, architects, and high-end filmmakers, while Hailuo AI is best for e-commerce ads, social content, and anime. So that is it. So their key differentiators is that Luma AI has professional pipeline and Red 3 modify, while Hailuo AI has expressional emotion and artistic stylization. So hope you found this video helpful.